Hello all. ACM India Grad Cohort 2020, the third Pan-India workshop for women in computing, is being organized by ACMW India and the discipline of Computer Science Engineering at IIT Gandhinagar from 24th to 26th July. We have here with us two very special guests who will provide us some interesting sneak peeks of this event. Hello and welcome.
So I am Hina Timani, working as the ACM India Women Wing Council Chair, and I have my own startup of data analytics. It is based on machine learning and data analysis, and earlier I was working with the Ahmedabad University for 20 years as a faculty of computer science.
Hi, I'm Nutan Limay. I'm a faculty member at IIT Bombay. I have been associated with ACM India since 2014 in various capacities, but more seriously I got involved with ACMW India since 2017 when I joined the council, and since the last year I've been the vice chair of ACMW India.
So, can you both tell us a bit more about the ACMW India Council?
The aim of the council is to celebrate, support the women in computing. We are organizing different workshops. Workshop for women, some lecture series, hackathon, All India Celebration of Women in Computing, programming competition. So all these activity we are planning for our girl students who is doing their graduation or undergraduate or PhD.
We would like to bring together the women in computing in India, and we would like to do this through various activities that Hina just described. And over the years, we have found we've formed many connections within the community, and I think we are going forward adding more events to this as we go along. Like we are planning to organize some talk series and so on. And this probably will help establish our place and also a good bonding with the computing community in India.
We would like to know more about the ACM India Grad Cohort 2020. What is it about?
And now we are going for the virtual grade cohort at IIT Gandhinagar. This is the third edition of grade cohort. Particular CRAW is an international computing body, has been organizing the grade cohort workshop since 2004 in USA for women graduate students in computing. In 2018, ACMW India adopted their model for the workshop and started ACM India Grade Cohort for Indian women graduate students.
So we are very excited to host this third event. The event was conceptualized for the Indian graduate students when it started in 2018, as Hina said. And as we know, apart from the other problems that any graduate student faces, women in computing face different challenges. So in order to mitigate the graduate life while handling all the other challenges of life, women graduate students find themselves in this very and a special place in academia. This event has been conceptualized to build a community of such women so that all women students feel that they are not alone in their journey.
The aim of the workshop is to gather the women who is pursuing their research, faculty members working at different institutes, as well as the final year students who want to pursue their career in research and academia. They can join these grade cohort workshop.
Yeah, basically, as Hina said, anybody who can get benefited by advice related to grad years are welcome to join. And this is specially for women, so we encourage women students to come.
So, who will be some of the speakers during this event?
Regarding the speakers, get 30% from the industry and 70% from the academia. This is the balance of faculty who are the speaker for the event. So with the industry folks being from research labs, majority of them are, and the faculties are from different various IITs of India.
Invited speaker for this event are quite interesting women leaders. One of them is Sunita Saravagi, and who is a professor at IIT Bombay. And the other person is Professor Meena Mahajan from Institute of Mathematical Sciences. Both of them are renowned researchers in their own area. So session chairs and panel members are being fixed, and more about them will show up on our webpage soon.
So next we would like to get some teasers of the absorbing sessions that would be happening during this workshop, as a motivation to attend this event.
There are various kind of topic we are involving, choosing a research topic, advisor, online presence, and personal building, personal branding are some of the topics. Some panels related to work-life balance and working from home. So in this pandemic, how to tackle home and career both? It is very difficult. Confidence and motivation for the participants. Publishing, quality versus quantity.
The program is divided into 3 days. The first day will focus on problems that typically early stage graduate students face. The second day is primarily dedicated to problems or issues that are faced by mid-grad life, during your mid-grad life. And the last day will focus on job market or postdoc or no postdoc kind of topics, which are primarily of concern to senior graduate students. So we have also divided it in that way this year.
So anything or things that would be unique this time that might not have happened in the previous events?
Opportunities at your doorstep. You have not to go anywhere or not to take the panic of traveling. We are realizing that the pandemic and its effects are here to stay, and we should incorporate topics that have something to do with it. For example, graduate studies during the pandemic and the other challenging phases of the life, postdoc and graduate school applications during the lockdown, motivation and mental health are becoming the issues nowadays.
We are in this very unique situation, and all other grad cohorts globally have been cancelled, but both Hina, Neeldhara, who are the primary organizers, along with me, we all felt that we should really go ahead with it, because this is really the time when the grad students need a support base. If not now, when? And therefore we feel like we should go ahead with this event, and this event has been therefore uniquely designed for current times. But of course it also deals with all the usual problems that grad life you face in your grad life, or other challenges, or is that we've allowed postgraduate students also to register for this event. So if some people are in the job market but because of the pandemic have not been able to find their next destination, even for them this may be a useful event to attend.
If you would have it to explain in just one line, why should we attend this grad cohort? What would that tagline be?
To get the benefit of technological, professional, networking and motivation are the main goal of the workshop. So if you want to achieve all these things, and are you a graduate student in computer related studies, interested in interacting with successful women in your field, so please join ACMW India Great Cohort for Women in Computing during 24 to 26 July.
Share and listen to experiences about grad years. Come to grad cohort and find mentors and peers.